Hello everyone, my name is Ravinia from course DCF. So today I'll be explaining my overall learning experience in this semester's PEC. Alright, so one of the assessment we have done is to choose a game based on critical thinking skill. We have been divided into groups of 7 and each group have come up with an absolutely amazing game. Alright, so starting from group 1, the games were more of to guess which state booster, to deceive and to kill the players. Until the end of this game, the imposter were not found by anyone. They were very clever actually to be hidden and not caught by us. For me, I feel like the best game that have been conducted so far was from group 2 because it was just the basic general knowledge questions and we extremely enjoyed and it was very fun. They actually have divided us into 3 and from each 3 groups, there must be one person that wakilkan us, and at the end of the game, my group won. So coming to the third group, basically it was the game that they have conducted was related to a maths questions, but actually it was involved in 4 different languages. So the questions they were asking was in consists of 4 languages, which was Mandarin, Tamil, Malay and also English. So there were 2 groups competing in the game. Unfortunately, there was no winner since it was a draw at the end of the game. And thanks for this group, I actually learned that how was 10 actually written in Chinese. Next up, for group 5, they actually have done a more of a general knowledge questions, but it was referring to a country. And the tricky part here was actually we have to figure out the correct country and we have to name it on the world map. So that was the most trickiest part in the game. So they actually have divided us into 2 groups during this game, and all of us could only name the right answer for the general question for the correct country. However, spotting the name on the world map was the most hardest of all. And at the end of this game, I've actually learned that we should actually learn more about the world map. Lastly, for the final group, it was a guessing game, but based on the topic that they have given us. So they have divided us into 2 groups, and there will be each representative to represent the 2 groups. So, for example, if the chosen topic were based on the character, we must be asking a lot of questions in order for the representative from our team to guess correctly lah. Okay, this game actually had made us to be very active in the class by asking a lot of questions because we was all eagerly to win the game. By end of the game, actually our group won. Therefore, after I've told the right answer, I represented our team by receiving the gift that the group have made for us. Okay, that is all for my PEC critical thinking skill. Thank you so much, everyone.